Understanding the phrase, "Good to see you," in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a very common and friendly phrase, "Good to see you." This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can help you communicate more effectively in English. Let's dive into what this phrase means, how to use it, and some variations you might encounter. Good to see you is a warm, friendly expression used when meeting someone. It conveys happiness or pleasure at seeing the person. This phrase is often used in casual and semi-formal settings. It's a way of acknowledging someone's presence and expressing that their presence is a positive thing. You can use this phrase in various situations. For instance, when meeting a friend you haven't seen in a while. In a professional context, like meeting a colleague or client, to create a friendly atmosphere. At social gatherings to greet people you know. Remember, it's more commonly used when you have met the person before. It might sound odd to use it during a first meeting. There are several variations of "good to see you" that you might hear. These include "great to see you," similar in use, but might indicate a higher level of enthusiasm. "Nice to see you," a bit more formal, often used in professional settings. "Happy to see you." This variation adds a personal touch, showing more emotion. Each variation carries a slightly different tone, but they all maintain the core meaning of being pleased to meet someone. When using "good to see you," your body language and tone of voice are important. A warm smile and a friendly tone make your greeting seem genuine and heartfelt. In many cultures, this phrase is accompanied by a handshake, a nod, or another form of polite gesture. "Good to see you" is a versatile and friendly phrase, perfect for various social and professional situations. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is the best way to master them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.